If you run enough, plantar fasciitis will find you. That stabbing pain in your heel on the first step of the morning, the kind that makes you limp to the bathroom, most runners treat it with rest, ice, and hope. The evidence says there's something more specific you should be doing, and it starts with understanding what plantar fasciitis actually is. The plantar fascia is a thick band of connective tissue that runs along the sole of your foot, connecting your heel bone to your toes. It acts as a shock absorber and supports the arch with every stride. Under high training loads, this tissue accumulates microdamage faster than it can repair. The result is a degenerative condition at the insertion point, not just inflammation, but a failure of the tissue's ability to remodel itself. That's the key word, remodel, and that's where collagen peptides come in. The plantar fascia is made almost entirely of type 1 collagen, the same structural protein found in tendons and ligaments. When you take hydrolyzed collagen peptides, they don't just provide amino acids for general protein synthesis, they act as molecular signals. These peptides, specifically proline hydroxyproline and glycine proline hydroxyproline, are absorbed intact into the bloodstream and reach connective tissue. There, they activate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for building and maintaining collagen structure. The fibroblasts receive the signal, rebuild. But the signal alone isn't enough. The fibroblasts need a mechanical cue to know where to direct that rebuilding. That's where loading comes in. A 2019 randomized controlled trial from the Australian Institute of Sport published in Nutrients combined specific collagen peptides with structured calf strengthening exercises in patients with chronic Achilles tendinopathy, a condition sharing the same collagen failure mechanism as plantar fasciitis. The collagen plus exercise group showed significantly greater improvements in function and pain reduction compared to exercise alone. The collagen wasn't doing the work on its own. The exercise wasn't doing the work on its own. It was the combination. Collagen provides the raw material. Mechanical loading tells the fibroblasts where to use it. 10 to 15 grams of hydrolyzed collagen peptides taken with vitamin C 30 to 60 minutes before your loading session. Vitamin C is essential. It's a cofactor in the hydroxylation of proline, which is required to form stable collagen fibers. Without it, the synthesis pathway stalls. The loading exercises that direct collagen to the plantar fascia specifically, eccentric calf races, slow descent, full range of motion. This creates controlled tensile load through the Achilles and plantar fascia insertion. Isometric toe raises held for 30 to 45 seconds, sustained tension without movement, directly stimulating fibroblast activity at the fascia. Plantar fascia stretching at the end range of motion. Toe extension stretch held for 30 seconds, first thing in the morning before your first step. Plantar fasciitis is a load management problem at its core. Collagen and loading exercises are adjuncts to, not replacements for, reducing training volume during the acute phase. If you have persistent heel pain, get it assessed. The plantar fascia isn't inflamed, it's failing to remodel. Collagen peptides timed correctly and combined with the right loading give it what it needs to rebuild. The reference is in the description. Go run.